the fat making series. Anyway, the friends or boys, or boy again. I made this. Come and have a look. This is the result. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? That was the Louise slice that I made. It's very yum yum. Anyway, I thought I'd show you how I make dinner tonight. Tonight I'm going to make butter a la chicken me. So there's no recipe, there's no quantities, there's just the way I do it. And it's not a hot one, because Tilina and my mummy, they don't like spice. And I don't even mean mild, they don't like the stuff. So I won't put any in. Well, any more than I normally do, which they don't know about. They will now. So I'm going to show you how to make butter chicken. Again, come closer, Tilina, you'll see all the stuff I'm going to use. Butter, funny enough. Again, this isn't sponsored. Pam's, i.e. PAK'nSAVE, don't give me nothing. Butter, coconut, should be cream, but it's coconut milk, so we'll see. Chopped tomatoes, mushroom, onion, which I had left over from work the other day. I might add some more. Then we're going to use things like salt, black pepper, coriander, cumin, paprika, turmeric, methi or fenugreek, a little bit of garlic, some mace, black pepper, I said already. Anyway, I'll go to the the GoPro, my very professional setup there with an old GoPro Hero 3. So the clarity is not so good, but hey, that's what I got. Can't afford a new one. Okay, see you in a minute. Alright, so here we are, the prep area. Turn the pot thing on. What do you call it? The stove. Not too hot. Get some butter. Can't be butter chicken if you don't put butter in it. I don't know, some people don't like butter, but there's nothing unhealthy about butter. It's not bad for you. Too much of anything's bad for you. It's way healthier than margarine, that's for sure. Nasty stuff. I'm going to cook the onion in butter. I'll put a fair bit. Okay. Butter. I'll just chop this onion up a little bit more and then I'll see how much there is. That's Buster outside, barking away. He's not ours, but some days he's noisier than others. Yeah, that's probably almost enough. I'll do a little bit more. I'll do half an onion more. Again, you'll see I'm not a chef. I don't have any fancy ways of doing stuff. I just cut things and it either works or it doesn't. I'll chop it up nice and small on this one. There we go. That should be enough. Mush the onion around a bit. I'm in the butter. I like cooking, by the way. It's fun. We chuck the onion in. Swizzle that around a little bit. Oh, and of course there's chicken. It's butter chicken. So I'm going to put chicken in here too. I didn't show you the chicken. I'm going to put a lot of chicken in so that there's extras for tomorrow. Because when you're in lockdown, thanks to COVID-19, coronavirus disease strain 2019, it is always good to have extras. Now, I don't measure, I just know what I like. Okay, so this is a bit weird and you're going to see. Let the onions cook for a little bit and then I'm going to chuck all the spices on top of them. Let's do the mushrooms quickly, chop them up a little bit. Zena likes mushroom, I like mushroom, so it's always a win. I've seen people peel these things and all sorts of nonsense. I have no idea why you'd peel a mushroom. I have no idea why you wouldn't use the stalk. It all tastes nice. So you get the whole damn thing with me and no one's ever complained. Yes, I sharpened the knife, so I'm being careful. Almost enough mushroom. We like mushroom. And it goes so small when you cook it. It's not like it's not going to be there at the end. Ow! See? That was too close. Alright. And I'm going to put this to the side because it doesn't need to go in yet. It cooks too quickly anyway. I'll put the mushroom under the tripod. Stir it up. That's looking good. Oh, there you go. Onion on the floor. The floor's clean. Back in the pot. Okay, now we add spices. I'll start with turmeric. Turmeric's a bit of taste, bit of colour. Won't put too much, otherwise it stains everything. Okay, that's how much I'll put in. This is coriander. I've got only this much left, so I'll put it all in. That's ground up coriander. That's it. Need to put it on the list. Cumin. The beautiful taste of curry. There we go. Put a lot, because cumin's tasty. Paprika. You can't go without paprika. I'm running out of that too, so it goes in the whole lot. That's the red stuff. Paprika. In goes some actual mild Pam's curry powder, just to give it a little bit of chili flavour, but not much. You see, it doesn't need a lot. Black pepper. And, oh, I can't get to my thing. Maybe I can. I use dried up garlic, so I've just got to put it in the mortar and pestle quickly and give it a bit of a grind up. Turn that down to low. While I grind this up. Put a little bit of mace in there because it tastes nice. Just a little bit for flavour. A little bit more because I dropped it. Grind it all in. Yeah! I broke it. I didn't even have it for long and I dropped it. It hit me on the foot and it broke. There we go. And we mix it up. If it doesn't look like there's enough juice, we'll add some more. We'll add some more by grabbing the butter. A clean knife. Because I found out the hard way more than once, you shouldn't slice butter with a knife that sliced onion. It doesn't taste so nice. Well, the leftover butter doesn't anyway. Oh, look at the colour of that. Now, Gordon, if you're watching, Ramsey that is, and I seriously doubt you are, don't complain, this is how I cook. And if you shouted to me, I'd bop you on the head with a frying pan, so. I wish you could smell this. Because, oh, it smells so good. Now, I'm not one for cooking with salt, but this dish does need a bit of salt. I'll pop some in there. Let that cook up just a little bit more, because you've got to get that, you've got to release the flavours of this stuff. If you chuck the spices in later, they don't get a chance to make flavour. Except the methi, the fenugreek. I put that in all the way through. You're not supposed to, but I do. Looks like you're chucking weed in there, but it's not. Promise you it's legal. I buy it from my local Indian shop, which is where I buy all my spices. I just fill up jars because it's a heck of a lot cheaper. I buy this box. This is the methi I buy, the Masuri methi, fenugreek. So good. Look at that. You see it alright? Doesn't that look good? Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. I'll let that put it along on a low heat. Puddly tiddly along on a low heat while I get the chicken. Pack and Save, again, extra low. New Zealand chicken breast, skinless. Was it on special? I don't know. $10 a kilo. Hey, nice. I hope it's stored. Nearly. Seeing as I got lots of chicken, I'm going to use all of it, and the plan is to have some left over for tomorrow. I like chunks of it, so I'm gonna chunks about that big in. You kind of want the chicken to be there. In it goes. One chicken breast. Don't worry, there's more. It's not thawed out properly, but that doesn't matter. It makes it easier to cut when it's still got the tiniest bit of frozen to it. And it goes. We love chicken. The original tastes like chicken, because it does, because it is. I mean, really. What else is it going to taste like? Fish? I doubt it. Okay, jack the heat up. Turn the plate on and get rid of the chicken stuff, because you've got to watch out. Don't contaminate chicken onto other things. So that gets washed. This goes in and gets washed. I'm washing. Promise. It's actual water. In case I need it, washed knife. More importantly, washed hands. I'm singing in the water. Rickroll. Huh? Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Blah blah blah. So you've done it twice. You wash your hands for 20 seconds. Dry them nicely and start stirring. Now you can see the colour there on the chicken as I mix it in there. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, it is, Rodney. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at that. Can you see the turmeric mixed in with the paprika? Yep, I can. The difference is, I can smell it too. That smells amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Right, let that start heating through a little bit. Ideally, I would have made this today for tomorrow night's dinner, because then you let it cook for about 24 hours. It's just beautiful. You're not going to find this in the fridge. You need the tin opener. Open the tomatoes. I don't like this tin opener, but at least it works. And the coconut milk, which is not coconut cream. I think I need to open the whole thing. I'll just punch a hole in it. Looking for a device to punch a decent hole. Nothing better than a meat thermometer. Yeah. Make a small hole on this side so it pours. Okay. How's that going? Looks fantastic. Just absolutely fantastic. I think just because it's today and I've run out of some of the spices, I'm going to add a little bit more of this, even though I shouldn't normally add it in now. Stir it in. That look good. Looks fantastic the way it looks. Alright. Tomato. Whole tin. Chopped tomatoes, 400 grams. In they go. Because everybody likes tomato, except Ben. Ben doesn't like tomato. Coconut milk. Now you can see the colour when we put the white stuff in there. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, food could be sexy. This is sexy food there. Yep. looks like a curry. I don't think I'm going to need all this coconut cream because it's so runny. I think that's going to be enough. Now that's going to sit and simmer away, probably for at least, I don't know, what's the time? 6:30. I reckon I'm going to let that cook for close to an hour, so I'll probably dish up in an hour's time. I'm going to add a bit more fenugreek. The chicken's not cooked enough for me to taste it yet, so I have to wait a little while before I can do the taste test. A little bit more fenugreek, just because this stuff is natural MSG. I tell you what, fenugreek makes things taste good. Put it in your eggs. If you make a what do you call it, an omelette, chuck some fenugreek in there. Beautiful. And I'm going to top up the black pepper just a smidge. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And that, right there, is how I make a butter chicken. It's pretty tasty. And I'll let it cook for a while, then I'll put the video back on. You can have a nosy and see what it looks like. In the meantime, I'll catch you soon. I'm back. And I'm back quickly because I forgot something important. I haven't put the mushrooms in yet. I didn't have to put mushroom in butter chicken. I put mushroom in butter chicken because, well, I like mushroom. And Talina likes mushroom. So why the heck not? It's just nice. Just mush this through. And then I'll let it cook for the next sort of 40 minutes and I'll come and check it out again. So let that simmer away. Nice. Nice. There we go. Ciao. I'm back. It's done. It's just after 6:30 like I said. 7:30. 7:30 like I said. So here we go. Rice. Good old just plain long grain rice. Nothing fancy. Make it look fancy. You can make it look fancy. And then look at this. It's just beautiful. Look at that on the rice. I'll do that whole thing. Let me get a piece of paper. Clean up my mess. I'll be all chefy about it. Yeah. I'm just ballsing it up now. Anyway, there you go. Look at that. Dinner. Butter chicken a la me. Hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back for another one. What do you think? I don't know. We'll see. Don't forget, please like, share and subscribe. Check out our other videos. The rest of them are pretty hilariously funny. There's all sorts of nonsense going on there. Share them. Share these especially. And we'll catch you later. And remember, we're still the Kiwi channel to watch. And now you're all hungry. Ciao.